All right, so here we're gonna remove the brake lines. Brake lines are here, and it comes to this bracket. It's a 13mm bolt going through and follows down that way. So just follow from where the master cylinder goes all the way down under the car and back. We'll show you. All right, so following the lines down, it comes to this accumulator right here, I believe. So as I was editing this video, I noticed I was calling the proportioning valve an accumulator. Don't come at me, all right? I know I messed up. It's a proportioning valve. Got it. You got this bolt here and another one up top. Right there where my pinky's at. It's a 13mm. This is just a bracket that holds this transmission shift selector. So we got to remove those two bolts. This bracket comes off, and then we can get to this accumulator, get to the lines, come right here. Following this thicker line, you'll see it goes above the frame. And there's a bolt right there, 13mm as well. Another bracket to hold the brake line going back. All right, so I cut from the accumulator or whatever that piece is. I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna put new brake lines anyways, so before you guys start saying that I'm hacking the car together, I'm getting new stuff, okay? So following the brake line to the back, we got this bracket here with a 13mm, a second one here, and so on going towards the back. So right now I'm in the middle of the car where the driver door is. So follow these lines back and, you know, take off the brackets and such that you need to clear these lines. It's got the accumulator, whatever this is, like I said, all the brake lines out. There was no way I was taking off these fittings. These things are on there for life now. So I'm gonna have to get a new one of these. Probably get a bigger one or something better to improve, because I did put the brakes for the Blazer in the front. So we'll need a new one of these guys, a new brake line kit, and a new master cylinder, brake booster, and then install. Brakes should be completed on the El Camino. So we got the brake lines removed, proportioning valves removed. Well, there's only one proportioning valve, but I got it all removed out. I didn't show how I removed the brake lines. I just pulled it through. I didn't really care if it got damaged. It was already really bad condition, the lines, so whatever. I just ripped it out. I found a kit, I think it was like a couple $100 from Dixie Restoration, I believe, which seems like a reasonable price. And I think all in, we're looking like $500 for everything minus the brake booster. So that is going to be ordered soon. So this video here, hope it helps you guys out. It was kind of tricky on the proportioning valve, the little bracket that connects to the transmission shift selector, but you know, it wasn't that bad. There's just a little cap on mine, at least. I don't know if it's right, but there was a little cap, bracket came right off, and I was able to get the proportioning valve out. So when these parts come in, we're gonna install the brakes. I have my wheels, and I don't know if I'm going to use it because the front is really skinny wheels. I believe the guy who had it before was trying to build a drag race car. It is the cheaper route for me just to reuse these wheels and just get new tires. So it's not that bad. Doesn't look that bad. But I think I might just do that and use that for now until, you know, I can get the suspension all dialed in and everything all torqued up and everything. Use this set that I got with the car. Use that set until it comes for a tire change, and then get a new set. But if you guys know a good wheel size, because man, it's been a nightmare for me to figure that out. You know, I don't want to use spacers. I just want to bolt in and have a little bit of space between the fender. So I don't know, all this measurement stuff is kind of crazy. Back spacing and all this other crap that comes with wheels and tires. It's like a whole nother science, but we'll get there. It's a learning curve, so let's do it.